Hi, I'm Guy. I'm the founder of a consultancy firm working in the health and fitness industry, and I would give Crowdcast 4 stars out of 5. For more reviews like this, click below. Before using Crowdcast, and subsequently as well, I've used Skype video and Zoom as well. But yeah, Crowdcast is one of the go-to platforms that we use. And the reason we use Crowdcast is, I'd say mainly the integration in that you sell tickets and you can even take payments as well. And you can run webinars. So it's all in one platform with lots of great integration. So the fact that it's all linked together is what we find best for Crowdcast. Onboarding and integration of Crowdcast was super simple from what I remember. Yeah, and the fact that you've got all that functionality all in one place, it takes you through it very easily. We started off with free events, but then quickly moved on to paid events and integrated Stripe and those other payment platforms as well. But yeah, onboarding I would say is pretty straightforward and easy. So if you're looking for software like this, I would definitely look at the free trial to start off with. I think a lot of these webcasting platforms will have a free trial of a couple of weeks or a month, and really get to grips with it. Also run tests. If you are bringing on other presenters to share screens or to co-present with, then take them through that. A lot of the platforms are the same, but there are maybe little foibles or differences. So run test events, start off with free events and build up a community or an audience, and then you can take it into paid events and onwards.